All right, you have made it to level 5 of lesson 9, saving models in AI lab. So now we get to customize your app. Let's improve the user experience of our app. Choose two of the following options to improve your app. Options: add a theme to your app and improve the font, size, colors, and borders of the UI elements. Add a welcome screen that gives an overview of the app to a new user. Add images to your app to make it more visually appealing. Change the text of each feature to be a question rather than a one-word statement. And then challenge: make the prediction be on a separate screen that includes an image. All right, where are my kiddos that go above and beyond? This is for you. All right. So with that, I'm gonna let you play. I cannot wait to see the apps that you guys create. Um, and if you run into any questions about this, go back and look at lesson 7, where we actually made an app in the app lab. All right. So with that, I'm going to say good luck, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Have fun.